Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today's video is gonna be a collage of little mini videos, and I'm not sure if I'm going to splice them in side by side or just wedge them in the middle. I'll figure it out when I get to the editing. A little later in the day, I've got about a half an hour before my normal upload, so trying to get the video done and not get my trash, noisy neighbors in the video. Picked some of the blackberries. Those are actually pretty good. Plants. Got a little sad in some parts, and other parts is doing really well. The baby blackberries are doing their thing, and the mulberry, with all the wind, not doing too bad. And I put a big old 6-foot bamboo stake in there yesterday. Too little too late, but wasn't hurting anything. The biggest thing, as you'll see hopefully if I remember to insert in here, is I did some potato harvesting. I originally did 2 buckets, and then I changed to 4 buckets because I needed extra buckets to get the rest of the seed potatoes. So there are Pontiac Reds down here and Kennebec Whites down there with the new tomato, or shall we call them potato cages. Bunching onions are doing really well. Then I got the sweet potatoes going on out here. I'm not going to uncover all of them, but the heat is just really beating them down. That one's probably going to be dead. It looks pretty sad. It looked better before I put it in there. So there's one dead in the black side there, or black bucket. Other than that, not much else going on. There are a few bigger baby lemons. As they get a little bigger, and you can actually recognize that there's fruit going on there, so that's really cool. The other plants are doing their thing. Got the tomato plants back up from all the wind, and I haven't picked any strawberries in a couple of days. The biggest other thing that I noticed, so all my radishes got trashed from having the lids on them. The French breakfast radish, which were kind of long and spindly, the heat hit them and then they were just toast. I've got garlic, so I'll quit watering that. Gonna pick that and see how big the bulbs are, see if those are from last year, and same with the onions. You know, there's a couple onions that might not be too bad in size, but we'll see. Green beans are doing really well. Snap and snow peas are not doing well. Hey, check that out. There's some rattlesnake beans starting to pop out. Haven't picked any of these dragon tongues or tongue of fire this week, but you know, we've got some beans hanging out. Pretty good sized beans hanging out there. Cucumbers are starting to hit their stride. Got some flowers going on hiding back in there. Now there's 2 or 3. They're the green apple. These are the Wisconsin SMRs, and all of these are the Divas. And horseradish, some yellow leaves. This one's catching up. So weird, right? How the 2 separate plants grew. And I keep looking to see if there's any baby figs starting, but I haven't seen anything yet. I don't know if that's wishful thinking for such a small plant. But that's all I've got for this week. Just a real quick update, like I said. crappy noisy neighbors out, so gonna cut this off. You can also hear the air conditioner in the background because it's like 92 degrees a day. And let's see where I splice everything. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.